We're in Tilburg today at Fabory, a technical wholesaler in fasteners. We're inside our new automated pallet warehouse with 28,000 locations. There are three reasons why we built this warehouse. First, because of safety. Second, to further optimize our network. And third, due to the tight labor market. We realized the project with automated VNA trucks and high-lift stackers. After the idea was born, we checked out different solutions on the market. Still was able to show us a reference site here in the area. The solution we saw fit our warehouse almost perfectly, and it was a proven solution. Ultimately, this was the decisive reason for us to implement this approach at our location. Containers and lorries are initially loaded and unloaded using pallet trucks, a manual process, but one in which the pallet is scanned automatically. The pallet is then brought to the inbound location, it's scanned, and the still transport control system takes over. From there, the pallet is picked up by an EXV iGo that takes it to the contour check. The weight of the pallet is also checked here. If the check is positive, a suitable location for the pallet is determined on the basis of weight, contour, and ABC classification. The pallet is then picked up by the EXV iGo and moved over to a handover location, where a VNA truck takes over. As soon as a requirement emerges in our order-picking warehouse, that requirement is forwarded from the upstream system to Still's transport control system. The respective pallet is then brought to a handover location and picked up by an EXV iGo and transported to our robot, which unstacks the pallet. If a pallet does not pass the contour check, it is transferred to an error location. There, our operator has a user interface which allows the error to be dealt with in a user-friendly way. The user interface was specially developed for us by Still. It is important that the customer is involved in the entire automation process. It is so different from what a customer is used to with the operators on the work floor, as those tasks are taken over by AGVs. This requires a new mindset, which must be communicated to the customer. We organize joint workshops, where we discuss the entire process and material flow together from A to Z, working together to develop the optimum scenario in terms of driving routes, communication, ABC classification, and put-away strategies. I look back very favorably on Still's role in this project. Communication was always very open. I appreciated that. Still has always thought ahead to provide an even better solution for us as a customer. If it turned out during the project that a better solution was possible, we pursued that solution together. The batteries are charged completely autonomously and rely on opportunity charging of the vehicles. We've installed charging points in the floor. The trucks automatically drive to those charging points if the battery gets below a certain level, or if the truck has no work for a specific period. The main benefit is that we can supply our customers even better. Our lead time of our replenishment has been reduced from more than a day to just a few hours. In addition, the working environment is much safer. Also, we had problems recruiting drivers in the labor market. That problem has now solved itself automatically. We also built the warehouse to support our growth ambition over the next 3 to 5 years. We look back on a successful project, and we recently signed a new contract for further cooperation with Still. For the current Greenfield project, we started from scratch. For our new project, the solution is to be integrated during running operations, so the challenge there will be somewhat bigger. But I'm confident that together with Still, we'll also bring this project to a successful conclusion.